AeroGarden Bounty with Gourmet Herb Seed Kit. Garden year-round. Grow fresh herbs, vegetables, salad greens, flowers and more in this soil-free indoor gardening system that grows plants 5 times faster than soil. High performance, full spectrum 45-watt LED lighting system. Our most powerful garden available with 50% more output than our previous best. Fully interactive touch screen control panel tells you when to add water, reminds you when to add plant food, automatically turns lights on and off and provides timely tips and on-screen help functions. Our first ever 9-pot garden, with 24-inch extendable lamp arm for big yields and more variety, and grow anything, including fresh herbs, salad greens, vegetables, flowers, and more. Includes 9-pot Gourmet Herb Seed Kit that contains Genovese Basil, X2, Thai Basil, Curly Parsley, Italian Parsley, Thyme, Chives Dill, Mint and 3 ounces liquid plant food. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.